This is Tech Up, your one-stop platform for all things tech in Africa. Data, data, data. It's the new oil. Data is life. Data is important for businesses, for individuals. Everywhere you go, you drop hints of yourself via data, to everyone that you come in contact with. But how do you protect yourself as a data subject? Once you have a name, you have an address, you have a phone number, you have a place of business, you are a data subject. Now, with the Data Act 2023, how can you, as a data subject, be safe? But Dr. Vincent Olatunji, the National Commissioner of the Nigeria Data Protection Commission, speaks with us and gives us perspective from the government and how you can effect your rights. Also, he tells us something very important about the job opportunities that exist in the data subsector.
These are really positions Nigeria among the countries that are really ready for digital business, and countries that are taking the interests of their citizens are very paramount in global digital economy. As Randy mentioned before, that now we are ready for business, and it's obvious that all over the world now, countries without data protection laws, principal laws, without data protection authorities, a lot of countries, a lot of multinationals are not willing to do business with them anymore, because if there are issues around the issue of personal data, where do we go to? Which law can they really apply to whatever happened? That is why this is a major step in properly positioning Nigeria in the global economy. Now, the question around what is meant for individuals and for us as a country. One thing that is really important is that for an average person that interacts with other people, more importantly through digital platforms, where we share information on a regular basis, there's every need for you to be adequately protected. And if there is no law, you can't be protected. So this law now is giving assurance to Nigerians, wherever they are, that they are protected. Now we have a law, the DPA, and what that speaks to is the fact that there is more confidence, there is more trust in any business you do online, any transaction you do online in Nigeria. Now, under the law, the rights of data subjects are clearly stated. The area of consent, your right to be informed, right of access, right of rectification, right of portability, right of religion, right of user purpose. All these are rights of data subjects. You and I, are we really aware of these rights?
Now, there are a few things that caught my eye with this particular act. Is the responsibility and role of the data controller / processor. Shed more light on this, please.
Now, one thing that is really important, which a lot of data controllers and data don't know, the fact that the whole data subject, that duty of care, to put in place technological and organizational measures to ensure the proper protection of the rights and privacy of data subjects whose data they have in their care. And this means we of accountability. You should be accountable for any data that you have in your database, or that you collect, you process, you share, you store. That area of accountability is really important. And there are some basic things that they need to do. For instance, their data privacy policy, which is to speak to who they are, the kind of data they collect, how they collect such data, who they share it with, how they store it, what measures are they put in place to ensure that it's protected. These are issues that they need to put in the data privacy, and their physical locations, the contact of their data protection officers in case of issues, who do you contact? That is one. Two, they are supposed to have their resident DPO, data protection officers. If they are data processor or building contacts, they are supposed to have their resident data protection officer, and that is where the law of the operation has now come up. That is, the law has now said all of you must have a DPO. Do we have DPOs in place? No. Do you have the capacity? No. We are looking at the over 500,000 data protection officers in Nigeria. Those of us who have certified data protection officers, we are not 10,000. That creates a huge gap of 480,000. They are ready to train, equip, scale, and through them to be able to service all these companies.
Fantastic, meaning this is a huge job opportunities for Nigerian youth, right? So
Absolutely.
what qualification would one need to start the process of becoming a data protection officer?
That is one very good thing about this sector. You don't need any special qualification. If you can read and write, either old or young, men or women, in the village or in the all urban communities, the moment you can study, write your exam, and the exam is going to be online, you have access to the internet, you can become a DPO. And even, I keep saying this everywhere, some of my colleagues are retired from media, they are DPCOs now. So even at retirement, you can still be a DPO. It doesn't have any limits. That's what we got it. So unemployed graduates, even graduates, those who are working, and even those who are already employed, they can change job role. Maybe you are working and you see this at a new place, you can change your job role and become your organization DPO. So it's flexible.
Wow, this is fantastic. Technology indeed is a bridger of gaps. I mean, you don't really need certain qualification to get to where you need to get to. I, as somebody who is giving my data, have the right to ask the company what they use my data for, and if they breach it, where can I go to seek redress?
Thank you. That's part of the work of this commission. Any data controller, any data controller collects your data, was seek for your consent. That is, I'll tell you, we want to collect your data, this type of data for this and that reason. Will you give your consent? Yes or no? Which when you do freely without being pressured to do, to be willing and if there's any breach, that's why we have a ticket, that is data protection authority. You report to us, we are available on social media platform, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Twitter, on Threads, and our website, www.ndpc.gov.ng, and there. And you can even write physical letters or there's so many of them that we treat. You have to physical letters through that social media platform. I will take them off immediately. I mentioned that we have actually investigated a lot of organizations, banks, insurance companies, portfolio firms, internet companies, schools, insurance, a lot of them have investigated. And some have even paid their recommendation fee, and we take them through compliance. So what is really important to us is to comply, to see it as part of what you have to do.
Fantastic. I think it's also a call out for people to be careful where they drop their data, careful what platforms that they access, and how they go about dropping their data everywhere to avoid and prevent situations like this. But thank you so much. We wish you had more time to continue this conversation, because this is, it could take 3 days to take a look through the entire legislature. Thank you so much for joining us on the conversation, Dr. Vincent Olatunji.
Welcome, and thank you very much.
Tech Hub, for a smarter you.